Okay, y'all. 12 something in the afternoon. I'm cutting my dash short because of the damn refrigerator. This video will probably be uploaded weeks after the live stream that I did yesterday. So I got Big Lots over there. We got Lowe's right here. We got Rent-A-Center. I need to find me a refrigerator. So hopefully they got the right size fridge up in here. But we're about to find out.
Customer needs assistance aisle 17 with tree cutting. Customer needs assistance aisle 17 with tree cutting.
Yeah, it's more difficult to find a fridge than I thought. You would think with it being as large as it is, it would be so easy to find it. Okay, look like we're getting close, y'all, because I see washing machines right here. Uh-oh, look like it's over there, y'all. I only see one, y'all. Oh, they over there, so we about to see if they got the right one for your girl, honey. Oh, I love this setup, though. Okay, so here's the refrigerators. Matter of fact, I'm going to upload this video out of the order of my normal videos because I really need y'all opinion on which one would be. See, now this is way too large for my room, but this is the ideal one that I want for my house. Let's see. Ooh, look at that space, y'all. That is amazing. See, I can't wait to get in my house so I can get something like this in the bottom. Honey goes, honey. But I got to look for something more along this size, y'all. Oh, so they do offer 6-month financing in the store. I was wondering how that worked. Oh! Oh, Lord. Not a fan of that price tag, though. Ooh. But anyways, we need a fridge, though. Oh, yes. Now, this is way larger. How large is this? And then it feels cool. They must got it plugged in. Okay, we can do with this. Yearly energy cost $54. I don't know why. We got some dirty stuff right here. And it's supposed to be... Is this the gently used section? I don't know. Oh, there we go, y'all. There we go. There we go. Anyways, let me go on Instagram Live real quick. Well, no. We'll keep it here. See, this would be good to have an interaction with y'all, though. I can take my mask off since nobody is over here. It's just me. Oh, but see, that's $764. That's cheaper. And that's 18.3. Oh, but see, this is 21.9. That's why. See, in our kitchen can actually hold up to 21 cubic feet. So yeah, y'all. And here's the deep freezers. So this is one for $3.99. I wonder if this can come with financing because, oh my, I do that. But see, ideally, with how small our apartment is, this one will probably be the one to suffice more. And it's $199, so I might end up going with that one. No, I'm good. Yeah, y'all, I think I might go with this one right here. But first, we need to get the refrigerator together first. So this is this side. Oh. This is... See, I'm glad I came here first because, see, if I would have went over there to Rent-A-Center, something like this would have been $2,000. And come to find out, it's $799. And then they offer financing. So, on top of protection plans. I'm about to switch over to YouTube. I meant to Instagram Live to see. Let me see who's on there.